Please do be seated. Bore da, a croeso I Gaerdydd. Good morning and welcome to Cardiff University graduation ceremonies of 2024 and to this Utilita Arena. My name is Gareth Powell and I have the great privilege of being a Pro-Chancellor here at the university. Today is an occasion for great joy, for celebration and for thankfulness at remarkable achievements. And so I offer to those of you who are receiving awards today sincere and heartfelt congratulations. And also to those of your supporters and families and friends who have come to share in this day of celebration. At this ceremony, we are celebrating the great achievements of students of the Cardiff Business School. Acquiring a university education is no mean feat. So I commend you, first of all, for securing a place in this university. But also, I commend you for the dedication, the commitment, and the enthusiasm that you have demonstrated, which has enabled you to reach this point. Thank you for your contribution as students in this university, and in particular, for all that you have given to the business school, for helping it to deliver public value. Value for the common good, to Wales and to the wider world. As you move into the next phase of your life, take with you the key messages of the school, messages which it has reinforced as you have been part of it. Always remember to have confidence in your abilities and never forget that each and every one of you has the knowledge, the talent, and most importantly, the compassion to be a positive force for change in the world. For you are a generation that truly appreciates interconnections between businesses, the economy, society, and the environment. And you do that probably better than any other generation before you. We know that you will make the ethical and responsible leadership decisions that this world so desperately needs. We have high hopes for what you can achieve and deliver for this and for future generations. Please also remember your school's encouragement to always strike a balance. Today, we are celebrating your success, your hard work, and that is important. But life is more important. You're here today with supporters, with families and friends, so make the most of them. Make the most of all the good people in your lives and be good to them in return. Try above everything else to prioritize your own health and well-being and make sure that you live life to the full. While you have been in this great city and at this remarkable university, you have been taught by a wide range of world-leading scholars. And now it is your turn. For your Cardiff qualification tells the world that you are ambitious and passionate and have an inquiring mind. Embark, therefore, on the next stage of your journey with all the confidence that this brings. For some of you, of course, today may be tinged with a degree of sadness as you are saying goodbye to Cardiff, a vibrant, colourful and diverse city which has been the backdrop to your university experience. Of course, the charm and character of Cardiff is difficult to give up, and some of you have already decided to stay and call Cardiff home. Either way, as you cross this stage, as you receive your award, and then as you leave this ceremony, you do so as a Cardiff graduate and a member of our fine alumni organisation. Cardiff University will always be your university. So wherever it takes you, remember it. Become a flag bearer for it, for this great institution, and carry forward its values of kindness and of generosity. Stay in touch with this university. Come and visit it often, not least to enjoy the constant sunshine that Cardiff affords. Remember this university for the rest of your life. But now, celebrate. I hope that you and all who have come to support enjoy this occasion, savour its moments, and acknowledge great success. I now have the pleasure of introducing Deo Sean Llewellyn Owen, who will read the proclamation which formally opens this ceremony, and then a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet Gwyneth Lewis. The poem Education was specially commissioned for our university. Enjoy today. Diolch yn fawr.
I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Boed hysbys I holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar hyd a lled y byd fod cynulliad o Brifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod I dderbyn myfyrwyr sydd, yn rhinwedd eu hastudiaethau a'u hysgol ceithod, wedi harholi'n briodol yn unol â statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Wrth ddathlu llwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, fe'i hatgoffwn eu cyfrifoldeb I gyfrannu o werthoedd y Brifysgol hon. Nod iddynt hwy yw ceisio, drwy eu cyflawniadau, wasanaethu ar lles pawb, ymdrechu I sicrhau rhagoriaeth ym mhob peth ac I ymboeni am ddyfodol ein byd. Grandewch yn awchus ar ddoethineb gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined and according to the statutes of the university found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation and in doing so remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation. Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddia feiddio, gwellhad o wneud. Myna geisio, parcha ddweud. Traws newidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol, mentro bod. Learning is a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything. helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is a simple delight in mind and its motions, scintillates but isn't deceptive, admits the joy of institutes, is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shorter distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends.
Bore da. My name is Angie Flores Acuna, and I had the pleasure to be your Students' Union President during the academic year of 2023-2024. Cardiff, it is a privilege to address you today, a day which you will all remember fondly for the rest of your lives. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life. At the beginning of this journey, many of you would have been faced with the exciting but daunting prospect of moving away from home, whether that be Pontypridd, Portsmouth, or Peru, making new friends, and perhaps living independently for the first time. None of these are easy feats, so for that, I congratulate you. During your time in Cardiff, you may have had to overcome some challenges. You may have been the first in your family to come to university or to this country. You may be a carer or have dependents and have had to balance this with the university life, or maybe you've battled with something else entirely. You should all feel very proud of what you have achieved, both personally and academically. The experiences you have shared together, whether they are in a seminar room, a society, or a sports, the opportunities you have embraced, and the relationships which you have built have made you into the graduate that you are today. As you reflect on your time here, let's acknowledge the hard work and dedication that brought you to this moment. It's not just about the degrees that you hold now, but the friendships you've made, the lessons you've learned, and the growth you've experienced. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you step into your next chapter, carry with you the resilience you've developed and the memories you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Congratulations, class of 2024.
Barida, good morning. Erethro Wendilana Dwi, I'm Wendilana. I'm the Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. And my job this morning is to warmly welcome all the students with us who will receive their degree. This is the most important part of the ceremony to my mind. It's the part where the students' names are read out by a senior member of the university. Our job is to celebrate the achievement of our students as they cross the stage by clapping or cheering or even perhaps whooping. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they'll be asked to stand. At this point in the ceremony and at other equivalent times, it's a tradition of the university for me to speak in Welsh to receive each group of graduates to their awards. The Welsh phrase I will use translated means, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations. Twy awdurdod a ryddwyd y mi gen I brifysgol. Dibaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad a hofrentenau a ddaw yn ysgol clongaffaciadau. I will now introduce Professor Rachel Ashworth, who is the head of the Cardiff Business School, who will present the students for their awards.
I, Professor Rachel Ashworth, introduce those who have received the Diploma of Higher Education. Abdul Rahman Salah Shaltut. I, Professor Rachel Ashworth, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Mustafa Abdul Jabbar. Alex Abramson. Seha Asen. Sadia Akhtar. Quds Ayaye. Saja Harith Hamid Al-Mari. Sali Al-Hamiri. Al-Ama Hariz bin Al-Akmal Rolzaman. Lewis Arkinstall. Lauren Atkinson. Ava Attewell-Smith. Ewan Thomas Avery. Warris Begg. Joe Baker. Sean Baker. Calvin Bang. Tobin Barker. Alex Batt. Morgan Anthony Bedford. James Bennett. Thomas Bidnall. Benny Bishop. Lucy Jane Bishop. Edward Blythe. Lois Hope Brace. Tammy Ann Bradfield. Owen Elwyn William Bray. Holly Bridle. Thomas William Broadbridge. Jacob Brown. Florencia Bucci. Will Caddick. Charlie Carter. Johnny Castleton. Lewis Chandler. Hayden Chappell. Stefania Hatziandreou. Shanice Chin E. Ling. Sonia Chompawizet Arsland. Ryan Chow. Naila Sidratun Muntaha Chowdhury. Barnaby Clark. Alexia Clark. Molly Clark. Sophie Rebecca Clays. Ella Grace Coltman. Jack Cooper. Eleanor Cooling. Charlie Cox. Charlie Cox. Hannah Craig. Tyler Louise Sidney Curl. Gemma Curtis. Amber Dale. Chloe Dark. Georgia Davis. Kai Davies. Millie Ann Davies. Morgan Thomas Davies. Oliver Davis. Joshua Deans. Holly Ann Da Silva. Angus James Dickens. Andrew Donovan. Harry Duncan. Jenna Louise D'Souza. Susanna Martha Dunster. Oliver Etuk. Susanna Ebbett. Chiamaka Ene. Brian Matthew Alaniga Enriquez. Dylan Thomas Evans. Harriet May Evans. Joel Ethan Evans. Tyrion Evans. Nicholas Evely. Keegan Everett Hall. Andrea Pomeroy. George Finney. Oliver Firth. Will Flemington Clare. Lucy Foster. Rosie Foster Buck. Nathan Anthony Friend. Luke Gambrudes. Katrina Gawi. Lewis Gibbons. Charlotte Emma Gibson. James Gilbert. Michael Gilder. Paris Gill. Harry Glynn. Grace Gomez-Smith. Bailey Goodall. Aishi Goyal. Beth Louise Grattan. Gemma Charlotte Green. Lucy Griffin. Ollie Benjamin Gunning. James Gurney. Natasha Harris. Tom Harrison. Finn Hawksworth. William Max Hemming. Emily Henry. Matthew Hick. Will Holland. Gracie Elizabeth Holliday. Olivia Honeyfield. Young Hu. Benjamin Huggett. Vitali Raiha. Morgan Louise Hughes. Henry Irvin. Louise Jane Isaac. Zainab Amisha Jabir. Ruby Jackson. Jamin Jaworski. Victor Jimenez Ruiz de Arevalo. Kira Johnston. Amelia Jones. Finn Jones. Georgia May Jones. Christos Kapitanis. Nihad Kazimli. Georgia Catherine May Kent. Boipelo Caglanye. Bethany King. Nadine Kitch. Ben Thomas Price Knox. Alistair Lambie. Connor Lasrado. Francesca Lawrence. Cody Lediard. Alexander Lee. Louise Little. Grace Molly Littlebury. Si Yao Liu. Carlos Loho Taboda. Clark Luke. Anna Lusk. Sorry. Isabel Lyons. Emma McLean. Erin Molly May McWilliam. Aaron David Madams. Nithyashri Mahalingam. Kritik Malhotra. James Marshall. Nathan Mayer. Owain McKee. Siti Maisara Zone. Thomas Melville Smith. Rohit Mengani. Victoria Merker. Jack Milburn. Ella Miller. Nathan Mitchard. Vanshika Modi. Ashlina Mia Kaline. Charlie Morgan. Charlotte Rose Morgan. George Morgan. Leonie Olayemi Morgan. Anna Moroz. Shireen Yusuf Mubarak. Swama Bean. Awa Nasser. Gabriel Nagara. Olivia Newman. Alexandra Christine Newport. Olivia Newton. Hamish Nicol. Kalaja Nithian Anthan. Dulcie Patsy May Nixon. Lucas Webb. Daniel O'Connell. Joshua Olsen. Lizzie Oppen. Jack Osborne. Emily O'Shea. Charlie Palmer. Christia Panayi. Harbaz Singh Pandal. Archie Parker Smith. James Parmenter. Lauren Parsons. Janvi Patel. Emma Patterson. Oscar Paul. Hannah Peckham. Mats Otto Pelders. Jack Peplow. Guion Phillips. Oscar Phillips. Sophie Pleece. Annabelle Powell. Morgan Powell. Reese Powell. Samuel Proctor. Priya Raheja. Alicia Raja Singham. Layla Ramada. Jessica Shan Reese. Hao Chung Ren. Libby Jack Richards. Lucas David Richardson. Madeline Roberts. Patricia Roberts. Rachel Roberts. Bryony Robbins. Oscar Ruder. Ben Russell. Benjamin Russell. Sebastian Reza Sabania. Aaron Samby. Zach Sales. Adam Searle. Seres Benati. Amy Jane Scott. Thomas Matthew Shaw. Yu Xiang Shen. Freddie Smith. Olivia Page Smith. Samuel John Smytheman. Eleanor Sparks. Tiffany Jade Squire. Sian Steadiford. Rachel Steinheimer. Georgina May Stott. Daisy Francis Sturdy. George Sturgis. Wei Lumsum. Felix Talbot. Jocelyn Thomas. Sam Thomas. Caitlin Thompson. Tatenda Tegera. Louis Titcombe. James Townsend. Monica Tran. Abby Sim. Holly Turner. James Vealboy. Molly Wakefield. Caitlin Walford. Jia Wan. Ellie Beth Weaver. Harley May Weaver. Elise Lucy Webb. Matthew Wells. Wayne Wen. Kira Watley. Maximilian Wilkinson. Seren Wilson. Ted Charles Wilson. Grace Elizabeth Wilton. Ella Winstanley. Lenny Withers Davis. Lauren Ray. Charlotte Yeadon. Ryad Zafar. Kashi Zhang. Yifan Zhang. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand up? Oh, you're already standing. I can see you at the back there. Right, here we go. Toi ardurdod a roddwyd y mi gen I brifysgol. Dybyniwch chi a gael eich dyfyniad o hofrentenau a ddaw yn ysgol llongyffaciadau. You may now be seated.
I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate certificate. Raja Aravind Polibinia. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Sankash Chandar. Kate Fitzgerald. Carolyn Groves. Lindsay Hodge. Dawn Holt. Sarah Mills. Joanne Oliver. Christopher Skibniewski-Ball. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Business Administration. Ankita Gautam. Muhammad Ashraf bin Abu Mansour. Hannah Barton. Craig Clydesdale. Bipasha Surabrani Day. Fern Alexandra Healy. Richard Jeffries. Ellis Lee Jenkins. Claire Jones. Suma Jenna. Harish Kalyani Raman. Pavan Dugirala. Armol Lakshman. Majid Sahel. Benjamin Samuel Montgomery. And Shika Nagar. Priya Navinath Vijay. Niharika Leonie Joy Sanjeev Joy. Lauren Alexandra Tang. Thomas Tatchell. Alison Jane Ward. Shilpa Miriam Wilson. Alexander Yakub. Wael Omar Abdin Mohammed. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Adeola Kabir Adigthokum. Vardhan Agrawal. Kishav Adlaka. Bradley Allen. Shafika Alyani. Ramya Atikam. Deledam Juvilar Atubra. Ranveer Singh Awijila. Noor Atira Binti Azari. Yang Bay. Yudi Bay. Debasmita Banerjee. Dylan Joshua Barrett. Jessica Margaret Barrett. Nikhila Betty. Josh Bentley. Yash Bhadraj. Ritam Bhattacharya. Kinjal Yagnesh Bastrar. Tejas Bhupam Lam. Abe Bisht. TV Boardman. Amy Rose Arnold. Olivia Brown. Simin Mu. Yash Botra. Wen Yu Chung. Gagan Johan. Bismaya Biswajit. Chen Shu Ling. Menting Chung. Annabel Colville. Mark Cronin. Jack Patrick MacDonald Daisley. Shahnawaz Daisy. Eleanor Daniel. Kinali Das. Heleth Davies. Alexander Ronan Dawson. Alonso de Loaiza. Kasper Dittus Timpinski. Swaraj Singh Dami. Kajal Dansingani. Priyan Kundanduri. Winan Maridayas. Tianji Dong. Wei Dong. Wanjian Du. Frederick Edge. Daniel Sean Edmonds. Jacob Edwards. Adam El Shirkawi. Rachel Edwards. Shannon Ensir. Abhinav Lapilkali. Ufra Fatima. Seherish Fatima. Alice Finley. Luke Firkin. Jake Fox. Cynthia Gee. Sarvesh Sanjay Gosalkar. Bethan Louise Golding. Edward Graves. Freya Green. Hugh Gyo. Yak Ji Go. Ji Xin Guo. Harsha Agulmuwe Huagi. Oliver Hall. Harvey Hampshire. Harry Henley. Gitika Rajesh Harian. Kumari Harshita. Matthew Higgins. Jessica Hooper. Ji Ming Hu. Ru Ning Hung. James Robert Humphreys. Rose Maria Hunt. Anmol Ramesh Hearn. Sami Hussain. Ibrahimova Firuza. Shreya Jain. Rhea Javanda. William Alexander Jenner. Edward Jennings. Hauron Ziang. Jisuan Jiang. Jin Zhenmei. David Jones. Natasha Anita Jones. Dylan Yoston. Shri Lakshmi Anil. Hatechan Nox Gundni. Shania Kapi. Vikas Kap Uganti. Arshia Anwar Jamal Khan. Uditya Kiyot. Zaya Mehboob Muazzam Khan. Shubh Kandalwal. Kupra Khatak. Vineet Katari. Millie Nappet. Daniel Kazushek. Nikhil Kumar. Samira Kundur Raghavandera. Sarah Latheron. Georgina Lawrence. Shiven Kaushik. Rung Li. Rosie Lindhardson. And Harrod Lloyd Probert. Keifen Lu. Pin Swan Lu. Xiao Slow. Jawan Ma. Satera Majidian. Apurva Balip Sahib Mali, Sanidhya Maggain, Vasai Mangalapeli, Param Jain, Michaela Mascioli, Dolores Mason Haynes, Andrea McLaughlin Vilena, Arisha Memon, Kimberly Meringolo, Lauren Maria Millard, Thirin Narendra Mistry, Ella Mitchell, Connor Mockridge, Maria Zahira binti Muhammad Zubair, Jamie Moorman, Nadine Morgan Gould, Aman Sudeep Mukherjee, Vijay Nabwani, Kane Nufutuyu Weir, Jade Nevin, Emily Nichols, Mustika Septrianti Noor, Orilua Hikmat Olajunga, Lottie Oliver, Ulefawunke Osasona, Vishnu PM, Maharshi Pandya, Aniket Dilip Patel, Albin Paul, Kira Payne, Erin Jade Phillips, Matthew Thomas Phillips, Adam Pitt, Joshua Powell, Joseph Thomas, Jasper Willem James Quinn, Sudha Ray, Anthony Raju, Anushri Ramachandar Rushrus Shan Mugung Nanda, Nirant Ramesh, Juliana Rainberg, Mia Karis-Riddick, Hirshek Rajesh Thelane, Atioba Sagal Pam, Shiva Samantha, Shubham Sangwan, Sex Acclaim, Gautam Saravanan, Isaac Saunders, Aniruddha Savant, Siddhesh Savant, Meenakshi Saxena, Simran Segan, Savannah Berlian Segara, Chanel Sellers, Rohit Rahavender, Ayush Sharma, Jay Yangshi, Sparsh Sharma. Suraj Shendange. Shiva Prasad Shitra Shetty. Sujit Reddy Surkanti. Arushi Singh. Urchana Singh. Arjun Singh. Nipun Singla. Ryan Smith. Sayud Shri Dharan. Max Stevenson. Holly Stockham. Mukhan Sidwani. Charan Rohit Sugu. Ghulam Zabi Sultani. Kamakshi Sharma. Suryansh. Skylar Evans. Emily Catherine Swain. Javan Kumar Tamang. Apurva Tanwani. Bryn Patrick Taylor Evans. Ewan Taylor Evans. Nikhil Tooney Thomas. Annabel Thomas. Joshua Alex Tidmarsh. Becca Hoff Thomas. Khatija Uddin. Smritri Upadhyaya. Sasha Vale. Sean Van Mail. Tanya Vankat. Harini Vankantasabwa Rao. John Victor EPTC. Jay Vyas. Shreya Vyas. Nikita Dinesh Vaghela. Dee Wang. Sonali Wankadi. Mohammed Shoaib Waris. Wei Wei. Elisa Ways. Gwenomai Williams. Xuangjui Wang. Xi Feng Wang. Ewan Daffyd Williams. Theodore Wood. Charlie Woodards. Yuxuan Wu. Audrey Singh. Menglu Su. Wenji Jung. Shima Yekebash. Jiaming Zhu. Kimza Zafar. Liang Miao Jiang. Jianing Zhou. He Wenzhong. He Zhu. Sunliang Eva Chao. Peng Fei Zhu. Shuao Yunju. Hanan Al-Ghamdi. Faqid Labib.
Will all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand? Twy ardurdod o raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol. Dyfaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad a holthrentnau a ddaw yn ysgal. Clong y ffaciadau. Please be seated.
The following students to be presented having achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers who will doff in return. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Zahar Wabi Al-Abdullah. Virginia Brown. Muhaudu. Peng Fei Zhao. Huda Muhammad Hagawi. Umar Jamal Muhammad. Soma Hussain. Kun Lee. Zhu Shun Lu. Ray Tu. Jonathan Mace. Zhe Runan. Sharmin Akhtar Julie. Sorry, Dr. Sharmin Akhtar Julie. Dr. Tian Sheng Yang. Yeah, okay. Do you want doctor first? Okay, right. Dr. Tu Tao So Sin Yang. Doctor? Would you like doctor first? No? Okay. Okay. Wajdan Abdul Halim Omran. John Poole. Shuao Soon. Dr. Yang Sun. Dr. Li Chuao Wang. Dr. Gabriel Wong. Dr. Mao Su. Dr. Wen Su. Dr. Li Yu Zhang. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand? Troi a dyrod a raddwyd o mi gen y brifysgol. Dyfaniad chi y gael ac dyfaniad a hoffrentenau a ddaw yn ysgol. Llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
Bore da I chi gyd. Good morning, everyone. We come to the part of the ceremony that celebrates distinguished people for outstanding contributions within their field and to society, to Cardiff, Wales and the world. Today's Honorary Fellow is Professor Elizabeth Treasure. Elizabeth, like you all, will be recognised and rewarded. Her success is part of your day's success. Dyma gyfle I nodi ein hedmygydd, ein balchder, a'n diolch wrth gylfwyno cymrodoriaethau a graddau anrhydedd. That recognition is given through the award of Honorary Fellowship. Professor Elizabeth Treasure qualified as a dentist and obtained her PhD at Birmingham University. Following roles in the NHS and in New Zealand, Elizabeth joined Cardiff University School of Dentistry, later being promoted to professor. Her leadership career then developed. As Dean and Head of School, Elizabeth initiated a new research strategy and curriculum. As Deputy Vice-Chancellor of this university, leading on a large portfolio, importantly, she developed closer links between the NHS and the university. And from 2017 till 2023, as Vice-Chancellor of Aberystwyth University, she successfully led its transformation. Amongst other accolades, this year she has been awarded a CBE for services to higher education and the people of Aberystwyth and Ceredigion. Elizabeth has always worked to develop wider community resilience and is particularly proud of academic developments benefiting local people. These include the primary dental care teaching facility in Mountain Ash, previously lacking in dental care, nurse education in Aberystwyth, and opening Wales's first and only School of Veterinary Science. As Chair of Universities Wales, she has made a huge contribution to higher education, both in Wales and across the wider UK, playing a major role in guiding the sector through a period of significant change. Her style of leadership is what people comment on. Problem-solving, no nonsense, people-centred and delivered with kindness and humour. As someone who worked with Elizabeth at Cardiff University, I can affirm these comments. She is generally one of the most brilliant and inspirational leaders I've had the honour of working with. I will now present this distinguished individual who is to be awarded an honorary fellowship at Cardiff University. Anrhydeddus Iscanhellor, cyflwynach I chi y rhai sydd i'w derbyn yn gymrodir i'r anrhydedd Brifysgol Caerdydd. Vice-Chancellor, I present to you Professor Elizabeth Treasure to be accepted as Honorary Fellow of Cardiff University.
Troi o dyrach o raddoedd o mi gan y cango. Dybanech chi fel Cymraeg y Enredaeth Prifysgol Caerdydd.
Bore da bawb, a diolch am eich chroeso cynnes iawn. And thank you, Claire, for your very kind words. Thank you, Wendy, for admitting me to the fellowship, and to many friends here who have given me such a lovely, warm welcome. This is a very special award as I come towards the end of my career. I'm very, very grateful for the recognition it brings, and I'm delighted to be here to celebrate the award with members of my family who have been so important in helping me throughout the years. But the most important message today is to say congratulations to you, the graduates. Many of you are at the start of your career, and others are developing your knowledge and skills with higher qualifications. It's your day, and I do join in everyone else in wishing you all the best and saying many, many congratulations. But it's my job to give you a couple of viewpoints from my end of my career, as I've said towards the end, for you at the beginning of yours. So I'm going to say three things. The first is keep learning. I don't need to tell you how things are changing and at what speed. But when I was writing these notes, it made me realise that when I started out, I couldn't have imagined where we are today. I had to handwrite essays and then type them up. And that was on sheets of paper, not on a screen. So if you made a big mistake, you had to start the page again. Now you've got AI as well as computers. So keep up to date, work out how best you learn and where you want to develop, but also reflect on your practice. What went well, what went less well, and learn from both. What are your values? We've heard a little bit about ethics this morning, but what are your values and your ethics, and are you acting in line with them? Do you actually have ethical standards and values? Have you decided where you stand on things? And what will you do if and when you're asked to act against them? Because you will be. What are your priorities and how do they affect other people? Your working life, how does it affect colleagues, customers, clients, and very importantly, your family and friends? And then I think for me, the most important thing is to say, life is a journey, not a destination. So yeah, take the not ideal job that will give you some important experience, but then have the courage to step off and do something you want to do. When I graduated as a dentist, I could have no idea what I would do and where I would live. I met one of my class recently who'd gone into dental practice 2 or 3 days after we graduated and retired from the same practice just a couple of years ago. He said to me, "How did you have such an interesting career and life?" And I thought, well, the same jobs were advertised on the same day in the same journal, and we just made different choices, and actually, you passed out of the class higher than I did. So, what happens is as a result of the choices you've made, be brave, enjoy life, enjoy the journey, and occasionally take a few risks. Reflect on what you've learned in your time in Cardiff. Keep in contact with the friends. Be proud of what you've learnt, what you've achieved, how you have changed as a person, and the friendships you have made. But above all, celebrate today. Enjoy it. Congratulations to you all. Llongyfarchiadau.
And so, further congratulations to all those of you who have received awards today, for you are now part of the Cardiff University alumni community. Cardiff alumni are great global citizens. Some are activists, achieving high-profile roles and areas of responsibility. Others make a quiet, solid, often unnoticed, but nonetheless significant contribution to communities across the globe. Cardiff will, I trust, have given you very much more than a qualification. You have been encouraged to ask questions, to challenge conventional wisdom. You have shown willingness, determination, and spirit. These are the hallmarks of a Cardiff graduate, and I hope they will be the hallmarks that you carry with you in everything that you do from this moment on. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, and of longing, of memories, and a deep-seated rootedness. I hope that you will keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University. Before we close, there is one further task I wish to ask of those of you who have received your awards. It is part of the tradition of this ceremony that we acknowledge those who have come to support you, those supporters, friends and families who, during the course of your studies, have sustained you and supported you. Some, I dare say, with just a little bit of cash, but we won't mention that today. And moral support, have kept you going, have listened to the late-night telephone calls. So could I please ask those of you who have received an award to stand? And if you can locate them, turn to the general direction of where your supporters are sitting as we say to them, thank you very much. Please do sit down. And so I hope that your celebrations will continue today and for some days to come. To close our celebration, we watch a short film that welcomes you to the Cardiff University alumni community. At the close of the film, please stand as the platform party leaves and the ceremony draws to a close. Diolch yn fawr I chi.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Class of 2024. Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheers. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare and Aberconwy I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe. The new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheese drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o'r hwmor nes bod ni'n folly. People who tried to shelter us with broken brollies. People who helped us find our limits and push them out of the way. People who helped us get to this point.
On this day,
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared, a day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roedden ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael-efryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late-night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at In Team. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
this is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment. Look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.